Hello, my name is Kanice Bridges, and I am originally from Philadelphia, and I have been residing in South Jersey now for the last 8 years. My undergraduate degree is a Bachelor's of Science in Biology. I attended Morgan State University and finished up my final year at Rutgers University. Although my degree is biology, I've done absolutely nothing in the medical field or in the sciences. I have been in the behavioral health field for the last 19 years. I've been a case manager for adults with persistent mental illness, a TSS worker in the school, in the home, as well as in the community. I have been a youth advocate, a behavioral analyst, and finally now I am a case manager working with children in crisis for a children's mobile crisis intervention team, in which I absolutely love. I have found that I love working with children and families in the inner city and am now interested in finally returning back to school to get my master's in social work. I have been out of school for a multitude of years, but I think now is the right time. I'm also a mother and a wife. I have 3 children, and now that my children are a little bit older, I think I can focus a little bit more on my long term goals. Once I obtain my master's in social work, I actually would like to become a social worker in the schools, in addition to opening up a private practice and becoming a therapist for children and families. As I stated, it's been a very long time since I have been in school. A completely online program is absolutely new to me, but I welcome every challenge and I'm excited for this new journey and I look forward to meeting every one of you. Good luck and thank you.